Hi, I'm here today to talk about my Cinnamint Tincture from CBD. I love it. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm going to show you how I use it. And I'm here in Florida where it's very, very hot, and the cinnamon flavor and the little bit of oils just feel so good going down my throat and in my mouth and on my lips. So I take it, I shake it, open up the bottle, take the tincture, make sure it's empty, drop it back in, hold the top, drop it back in, and look, tincture's full. I bring it down to halfway, because that's what you're supposed to do, down to the 50, the halfway point, open up my mouth, put it under my tongue, and let it sit there, and it absorbs straight into your bloodstream, I think. It's a very lovely taste. It feels great, and sometimes I would forget to brush my teeth because my whole mouth feels so fresh and minty, and it really helps me with my anxiety and so many other things. Again, I love my CBD tincture, and the cinnamon is delicious. Makes it so much easier to take, and after you swallow it, it goes down your throat, and it's still in your mouth, so it feels great, and it works every time. I use it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Well, I hope you like this. Thank you. Goodbye.